Really quick before we jump into the content, make sure to check out this video. This is about the biggest crypto competition ever in the history of cryptocurrency space. They're giving away Cybertrucks, Lamborghini, gold secure currency, which is backed up by gold, and a lot of cash during the next few months. The competition is starting very soon and everybody can participate and earn money. Everybody has equal chances, so I don't want you to miss it. Just make sure to check out the link. And now, enjoy the content. Welcome back to CryptoWealthy channel, guys. In today's video, topic is AST price and fundamental side. On the price side, we have some amazing technicalities to discuss about, so make sure to stay all the way until the end of this video. So as a summary, what is AirSwap? We have even the answer on the Twitter. AirSwap powers peer-to-peer trading. Just plug in your wallet and go and trade. Very interesting, good project when it comes to the niche in the cryptocurrencies. So whoever likes this simplicity, let's say, then this is good project for those people, right? As you can see, they're not so active over here on Twitter. Calling all community member at 24th hour configuration vote has started to propose a longer AIP voting cycle. Use your stake AST to vote below. This was actually 6 days ago, sorry. So I don't give them big grade for their activity on the social media. Nevertheless, let's jump into the technical side, since that's it when it comes to the fundamental side. What are they and what is going on in the AST? Now let's cover the price. Price has some very interesting patterns which I want to discuss about, and you're going to love it most probably if you are bullish on AST. As you can see, we are doing on this channel the Elliott theory on every single technical analysis, because it's very important to determine where we are right now. So whenever you're entering the chart, you need to determine where you are with the price, where is the price and what's going on. Okay, so in this case scenario, Elliott theory is beautiful for AST. What I mean by this is, if we connect the first wave, so you have 5 waves which are bullish and the 2 of them are corrective, second and fourth, and after that you have the, let's say, bear market on some sort of way, ABC correction, and we're going to discuss about that also. So as you can see over here, let's connect the first wave, and the first wave by any mean whatsoever is over here. So this is the first wave, ladies and gentlemen, from the 0 to the 1. Then you have a correction of the second wave, which wasn't so big, as you can see over here. This is the second wave, and now the third wave is always bigger than the first one, as we are discussing on this channel a lot, and that should be something like this. Now fourth wave is a corrective wave, as we said, the second and the fourth, and we can measure it over here. For now we still don't know if fourth wave is done, but we're gonna get to that very soon, as you can see. And the fifth wave we can even put over here somewhere. So this is how the bullish side of Elliott theory should look like. If you want to confirm this, make sure to go to the lower time frames, because Elliott theories are like those Russian dolls. You have dolls into the dolls into the dolls into the dolls. So the same thing you can find over here, patterns into the patterns into the patterns into the time frames into the time frames into the time frames, and so on and so on. I think you're getting me. So if we go back below to the 1 daily, what I mean by this is that you have even 5 waves into this first wave of the weekly chart. Now we are on the daily, so let's see that. Okay, as you can see, this should be the first wave, second, this could be the third, fourth, and then you have the fifth over here, which needs to go over third wave, as you can see. And then you have ABC correction, which is bearish or corrective. Okay, and that's over here. You have the A, B, C. Okay, maybe you don't see it good, but that's pretty much it, ladies and gentlemen. So ABC correction, and after that you're continuing again the same thing. So into the dolls, into the dolls, into the dolls. I think you get me. So the next thing over here, as you can see, is the third wave, which is the biggest one. We also have the 5 waves, so I'm not going to rumble too much about that, but you get me where I'm going with this. You have the first, second, third, fourth, and fifth again. So the same thing, everything is applying to this Elliott theory, and you can always, and you should always find patterns of the Elliott theory in every single chart when you're entering, when you're doing your analysis. That's the thing that you can do. But let's see what's going on now. So we discussed about the patterns, and we now know where we are. So we are right now into the fourth wave, which is usually can be bumpy. let's say like that, and messy wave. So also it's consistent of ABC correction. So let's take ABC correction to see if the correction is done. So what you can do over here to take one, this is the A, this is the B. The B shouldn't go above the first start of your measurement, and the C is over here so far. So is this correction over? Is AST done with correcting? Well, the answer is we still don't know yet. Why? Well, because we need to see the price breaking some key levels before we determine and say, okay, we are into the bull trend. How should we know that? Well, first, let's watch the moving average. The moving average is this yellow line over here that you can see. This line is making us resistance. So as you can see, every rally is being sold over here and still pushing to the downside. So we are not getting above this moving average, which is determining the bearish trend at the moment, which means once we break this yellow line over here that you can see, when we break it, find level of support in the at least over here, then we may see the bounce, then we may see actually the higher low, since this is the lowest low over here in this correction, and then you could expect the fifth wave, which by the way could lead us to some serious hits to the fifth wave, which would need to actually break all-time high of the third wave. Remember that fifth wave needs to break third wave. If however doesn't do that, then something is wrong with the counts that we did. But in this case scenario, the counts are perfectly fine, and the next thing we should see is the bull trend reversing, getting the higher low, getting above some key structural levels, especially over here. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to show you this is the level that we also need to break before we see some prices. So make sure to observe price, what I told you, breaking off 20 EMA on the daily chart, and also we're going to see rally to the upside. So what is my prediction for the AST, where the price may end up? Well, as you can see, 2.87 is going to be 1.608 in Fibonacci retracement, so make sure to observe $2.87 per one AST, because this is USD chart. So definitely observe that, and that also applies for breaking this high, which is totally legit, and the fifth wave is never bigger than the third wave, and somewhere similar with the first wave over here. So remember, those are the rules, as you can see. Thanks for watching, hit that like and subscribe button. Very quick before you go, make sure to check out this video on our channel, because this is the biggest competition in the crypto world ever. You can earn Cybertrucks, Lamborghini, gold, money in gold and gold secure currency, crypto, and a lot of cash in the next few months or so. So I don't want you to miss it. Just make sure to check it out and thank me later. Good luck, and until the next update, happy trading and goodbye.